It is June 15th, and today I'm going to show y'all my update of all the plants that I have. And now that it's officially summer here in Texas, all of these plants that I have are now outside in the country and able to get sunlight. All of these are my dragon fruits that are over a year old. I planted them in February of 2018, and these were transplanted a few times, I believe 3 times this year, and they're growing really well. Some of them were staked, like this one right here. I'm going to stake a few more. So that's my mess of dragon fruit. Behind it, these are jackfruits, and I believe I started these in March of this year, so they're about 3 months old. But these have definitely taken off. You know, these huge leaves. These were all started by seeds. And down here, these are tamarinds. These were started back in March this year, so they're 3 months old. Got some new growth here, new growth right there. They've been in here in their new pot. They were in a strawberry container. Right here, these are cherimoyas. I started these back in September, and these are the only ones that made it. They were in my outdoor greenhouse, and there was a period where the roof came off and most of them got singed, but a few remained. These have definitely come back because I think 2 weeks ago these were sticks, so I put them, you know, right here in partial shade, partial sun, so they can come back, and they've come back really well. I think I redid the soil 2 weeks ago. So those are the cherimoyas. I have some more cherimoyas coming back right here. Yeah, new growth right there. And here are some more jackfruits. Again, I'm gonna have to double check when I planted these. I don't think these are the same age as those big ones. I think they're maybe a month apart. Over here, I have these loquats. So where I got these, there's a place where I usually get loquats, and there are several established trees, and these were growing out of the soil already. So these were already growing. I'm not sure if they're a year old or, you know, grew from the previous year, but I basically just grabbed them and pulled them out of the soil, and I put them in these pots a month and a half ago. And these were fine. These didn't die off or anything. You know, it took them a little while to actually grow new growth like this. These were pretty good, so I'm glad these are making it now, and I might as well put these in a little bit more sun. I'm afraid to put them in sun because it's going to get too hot soon. These are definitely keepers. And here we have tamarind seedlings. I grew these back in September of 2018, and it's now June, so I believe that makes them about 10 months old. And they've been in this pot, this new container, for about 2 weeks, and they have taken off, especially this one. New branches, it's all new growth. And I've had these in Whataburger cups for the majority of the time, so this is their new home, and they're really growing. So over here is another table of all my plants. These two tamarinds are 9 months, so between the other ones I just showed you and these, they're 1 month apart, and these been in their little containers for 2 weeks, and they've grown as well. Not quite branching off, but they're definitely loving their new individual pots. This is a Italian chestnut. I had it in the refrigerator back in December and noticed by late March that 3 seeds altogether were sprouting, and I put them in containers. This one, I think this one's been around for a month and a half. This one still hasn't come up yet. It's still, I keep digging in here and finding it. I think it's alive, it just hasn't come up yet, so I'm still hoping that it'll come through. Then I have a bigger one, which I started maybe 2.5 months ago. So this is another first for me, having a chestnut. Right here, these are soursops. I planted these back in early April, so 2 months now. They've finally come up. I think the past few weeks they've come up. I was actually worried about them. There's some still trying to sprout here, and today I'm going to plant some more. I have got another fruit. So these are new soursops, so that's my first time planting them. Right here are cherimoyas, so they're cousins, and these were from March. So I'm going to put these in a bigger container. And these longer containers, that one, these smaller pots, these are all loquats that I planted last week. I had some fruit in the refrigerator for about a month and sort of forgot about them, and then I was like, okay, I need to actually get the fruit and get the seeds out. So I finally planted them, and I hope they turn out. I still have some left over in this bag. And again, some more jackfruits. So these were from March, and these need a new container too. And that's pretty much all of the plants that I currently have. Tammy is over here. My 4-year-old tamarind tree is now growing new growth. So it's sitting in here partial sun. It got hot a few weeks ago, so that's why I was moved over here. So it has new growth now. And then I just stuck a pineapple head. It has roots on it, and it's in there. I just stuck it in there, so I guess it's growing now. But Tammy's doing great. I'm going to plant soursops, some more soursops. I have a lychee. It's inside. I hope to grow some lychees soon, and any fruit that I come across in the next few months, I hope to be able to grow those, germinate those, bring them out here. So these are my various projects, and there's going to be more to come, and this all does include the trees that we currently have, so it's a lot.
no, 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 no. Hey, let me film that before you pick at it. No, you can't have it. You can't have it. No, you can't have it. Oh, no, 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 you can't have it. Let's get the first one, okay? Yeah?